His teammates keep talking all the metal.
The enemy team has 2 mini-sentry.
The one heavy he kept backstabbing changed class.
His pocket medic left the server, and he lost all his skill.
The enemy soldier can aim with a direct hit. He lost 8 Frontier Justice grids to a single Crockett.
His teammates don't protect him.
The skeleton ended his godlike kill streak. The enemy engineer can actually use the short circuit.
The enemy sniper aren't letting him play the game. Valve communication is not available for this account.